Hello guys, Sahil here. So this video is regarding IELTS. Like majority of our students are from teaching background who want PR in the field of teaching or engineering or sometimes in fields of medical. Generally their requirement is quite high, 7788. So as you know, getting 7788 is not a cakewalk. You have to struggle a bit. Similarly, one of my students, I'm not sure if I really want to share the name with you, if she would be comfortable me sharing the name with all of you, because there's a little bit of story involved in it. Although she is really brave, courageous, and hardworking girl, but still, I would personally would like to keep this thing private, keep her name private. So she used to take ISLPR lessons with me last year, 2022, and she was able to clear her test, and she registered as a full-time teacher. Since she was on student visa, after completing her studies when she was on TR, obviously now to apply PR we need IELTS, she needed 7788. So one day suddenly she told me that she has some kidney issues and she was taking medicine for a long time. She used to bring medicines from her home country, but suddenly the problem was rising. It was getting a challenge bigger for her to manage. So with the doctor's recommendation, she had to undergo a kidney transplant. So obviously, kidney transplant is not a small procedure. I mean, you need to do a lot of documentation, and before the surgery, they do many things on your body. When she went for the exam, before we go on this, I would really like to mention, while going through all this, dialysis, and that mental trauma, that physical pain, that weakness in the body, she wasn't able to eat anything. She still kept on preparing with me. She still kept on preparing by herself as well. She was taking lessons. She didn't say, I'm sick, I need some time to recover, my PR can still wait, I will do something else. No. She decided to take the test. Not only take the test, but she prepared as well. She took lessons with me, online lessons with me, of course. And just maybe a week or so before her surgery, with a pipe hair in her neck, she went for the test. She cleared her test. Earlier, she used to get 8 in speaking, but not 7 in writing, or 7 in writing, not 8 in speaking. This time it was 7788. She cleared her test, cleared IELTS. Obviously, what you should notice here, when a person is physically down, they're not able to perform to their best level. This time she was fearless. Obviously, she had practiced with me. She said she had nothing to lose. If she passes, it's a bonus. If she doesn't, it's okay. She wasn't physically well, right? But her practice, her motivation, everything kept her moving, and she cleared the test. By God's grace, fortunately, you're completely fine. You just have to manage your daily life, right? And then, because this IELTS journey can be daunting, frustrating, many times. A lot of times it can be frustrating. I see that every day. Many people who are not able to clear the test feel frustrated. Yes, IELTS requires many things, but if you go step by step and follow the procedure that your trainer tells you, or if you take lessons with us, that we tell you, if you follow the procedure, it's not difficult, right? Yeah, this was a short story. Hopefully it could help you to motivate yourself to take the test. And yeah, good news is this person, my student, my friend, she went through her surgery and her surgery was successful. Now she is on the way to recovery, doing really well. So hopefully she'll join back her teaching career soon, be a PR in Australia. Alright, see you guys then in the classes, hopefully. Good luck. Thank you.